Hey everyone, quick video here on a Monday before WWDC kicks off this afternoon. Today I have two quick stories of AI products that failed to get off the launch pad. First up, we have Microsoft recall. Here we have a short article from CNBC with two major updates on Microsoft recall. First, recall will now be turned off by default when it launches next week. This seems like an obvious move Microsoft would do. Depending on how they present recall features and benefits to the user during setup, this will probably dramatically reduce the number of users turning on recall. And if not enough users turn it on, Microsoft may kill the feature altogether. But that's not all that Microsoft is doing with recall. They also are improving the security of the recall database. As you can see here, Microsoft is adding security protections to recall in addition to requiring people to manually turn it on once Copilot PCs become available on June 18th. The search index database will be encrypted. In addition, proof of presence is also required to view your timeline and search in recall. What is proof of presence? Basically, you have to enter a PIN number, show your face, or provide a fingerprint, depending on probably what the device has. So this is a good step. I mean, it's honestly pretty obvious, and I can't believe this wasn't in the initial design of the product. It's a little bit troubling to me that Microsoft didn't do this from the outset. But all right, and lastly, we have an update on everyone's favorite AI punching bag, Humane AI, the makers of the Humane pen. You'll remember that this product got some of the worst, it was really tough, most scathing reviews when it came out a while back. People said things like, this is the worst product I've ever reviewed. Yikes. Well, the company that made that product is in discussions with HP to sell itself for $1 billion. If I'm HP, I really would have to stretch to see a compelling reason to buy this company. Maybe they have some tech talent that you might want to have. Perhaps there's some overlap with another product that HP is working on. But you certainly wouldn't buy Humane based on any expectations of the product ever getting off the ground. And if that's the case, it may be just wiser to wait. This is it's tough, but business is hard. But you might be smarter to just wait and let Humane go bankrupt and then swoop in and buy up any assets, IP, or employees you might be interested in. It's really disappointing to see a company fail like this. And I hate to kick them when they're down, but I don't see this going smoothly for Humane. And to make matters worse, it would seem that Humane has been forced to ask its handful of customers to stop using the charging case that came with the device out of fear of starting a fire. Oh, man. You really hate to see that for them. But anyways, that's it for this quick AI update. As I mentioned, today is WWDC, which will generate a ton of news. So please subscribe so you'll get that content when it drops. Thanks, and I'll catch you next time.